Ford has recently made a splash in the camper van market with the updated Transit Custom Nugget. Building on its legacy since 1986, Ford's collaboration with Westfalia has resulted in a versatile vehicle designed for adventurous spirits. The latest addition, the Transit Custom Nugget Active, is a rugged trim level that expands on the existing titanium model. The Nugget Active is built to accommodate up to 4 people and features distinctive design elements like black plastic rocker panels, exterior cladding, and exclusive 17-inch machined wheels. Inside, the camper offers water-resistant seat fabric, along with the Smart Camper touchscreen that allows control over lighting, heating, and water levels. An inclinometer is also included to ensure safe parking on uneven surfaces. Ford has also introduced a longer wheelbase version of the Transit Custom Nugget, which offers a larger kitchen with additional worktop space and storage, as well as a bigger wardrobe. Some configurations even include a built-in toilet for added convenience. Powering the Nugget Active is a 2-liter EcoBlue diesel engine producing 168 horsepower, or a 2.5-liter plug-in hybrid setup generating 230 horsepower. Both options allow for towing up to 2.3 tons. The new models will debut at the Caravan Salon in Dusseldorf, Germany, with European orders now open.